What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the background on Photoshop easily in just 1 minute. So just follow the steps and you will be able to remove any background on Photoshop. Now let's say that I am going to remove the background of this picture. Now this is very easy, like I said, just follow the steps and you will be able to remove the background. Now the first thing guys you need to do is to click on this lock, as you can see. Now after you click guys on this lock, like I said, click on it and make sure there is no lock here anymore. Now after you click on the lock, it will disappear and it will not appear here again, or it will not appear here anymore. Now after that, after you click on the lock, all you have to do guys, you wanna go to properties, as you can see, properties. And if you don't have properties, you want to click on the window, as you can see, and then select properties. Okay, now after you select properties, you will see this here. You want to scroll down where it says properties. You want to click on properties and scroll down, and you want to click on remove background, as you can see. If you don't see it, make sure you click on this arrow, this small arrow, so that it can show you two options where it says quick actions. Now as you can see, we have removed the background. Leave a like if this video helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Leave a like. See you.